and welcome back to the Doomsday Minute. I'm Wayne Altman, your friendly neighborhood apocalypse tour guide. I'm here to shake the future like a soda can, see what explodes. Today's explosion: artificial intelligence designing viruses, proteins, and pathogens in minutes, while humans sit around arguing about regulating TikTok. Now, the good news is AI can already do this much faster than any ethics board can order lunch. The bad news: it is far worse than you think it is. Here's what AI can do for you right now. AI can now design brand new proteins, viral shells, genetic mutations with the same ease that some people shop online. Medicine, vaccines, biotech, they all benefit. But so does anything that wants to slip past your immune system, like a ninja with a Wi-Fi signal. Predicting protein structures? Yes, please, in minutes, not years. Generate viral variants? Well, of course, before you brew your first pot of coffee. Suggesting genetic edits that would take humans decades to figure out? We can do it instantly. This is basically handing your toddler the keys to a nuclear submarine. Except the toddler is brilliant in this case. It never sleeps, and it absolutely does not care what happens next. If you don't like sleeping, keep listening. Because why AI plus biology equals doomsday is here. Number one, the expertise barrier has been obliterated. You used to use a PhD or need a PhD to design a pathogen. Now, you just need curiosity, internet access, and a GPU you bought on a yard sale. Number two, regulation is hopelessly outmatched. AI moves at warp speed. Regulators, however, move at the speed of subcommittees. Number three, dual-use problems. The same AI that designs cures for cancer also designs COVID-25. This time, it's personal. Number four, accidental catastrophes are now more likely than malicious ones. We're not afraid of the mad scientist. We're afraid of the enthusiastic 15-year-old that lives next door with a very bad personal life. And you know we're in trouble when the line between graduate research project and global emergency is only missing a caution label. I hear you. Oh, Wayne, it can't be that bad. You're looking too far into the future. Let me give you some case studies. I introduced to you David Ishee, the DIY biohacker. David, well known in the biohacking world, showed how a determined individual with a limited resource can manipulate genetics from a woodshed. He now combines that same mindset with AI models that can design novel proteins, guide DNA assembly, and optimize pathogens. He didn't just create a global threat, but he proved that the barrier to entry is no longer a barrier. And AI just strapped him with dynamite to whatever barrier had remained. This is the canary in the coal mine, except the canary is holding CRISPR scissors and a YouTube tutorial. I'm sorry, not convinced? Let's move to case study number two, the MIT protein generator. A research team built an AI model capable of designing 40,000 potentially harmful biological compounds in under 6 hours. Did it completely by accident. The model was not instructed to be dangerous. It wasn't instructed to be safe either. They simply flipped a switch on the training goal and said, see what you can do. The AI said, oh, you wanted nightmare fuel? Here's a tanker full. It created thousands of theoretical toxins, many structurally similar to nerve agents. When your computer creates a chemical weapon catalog before you eat lunch, maybe, just maybe, it's time to reconsider all this open source biomodeling we're doing. I'm sorry. Did you think I was finished? Au contraire. Case study number 3 is the predictive model for disease spread. AI models are now simulating the optimal path for a pathogen to overwhelm hospitals, go around immunity, and outsmart public health systems. It is literally a disease GPS. In 3 days, turn left at low vaccine zone. Recalculating route to avoid immune response. This technology is incredible for emergency planning, but it is devastating if it is used for the opposite purpose. Imagine Google Maps for pandemics, but instead of avoiding traffic, it avoids doctors and medicine and cures. Now, if you would ever like to sleep again, what you should be doing but aren't doing fast enough is number 1, restricting the high-risk biological data sets. If it can melt a city, maybe you don't put it on GitHub. Number 2, how about licensing requirements for advanced biological AI models? If you need a driver's license to operate a motor vehicle, you should need one to design proteins capable of ending civilization. Number 3, mandatory red team testing, not the fix it after the disaster method we are currently using for social media. And number 4, audit those trails for biological AI tools. We need receipts when someone's model invents super anthrax 2.0. Number 5 is optional. Global agreement. Because borders will mean nothing to these viruses, or to AI, or to people who refuse to wash their hands. Here's your final warning. AI is accelerating biological design faster than humans can regulate or even conceptualize the danger. The threat is not bad actors, it's fast actors. We replaced the conductor of a train with a super intelligent algorithm, told it to optimize for speed, and we forgot to mention that the bridge is out. This has been Wayne Altman with the Doomsday Minute, your cheerful guide through the biological apocalypse. If today's episode terrified you, good! And congratulations, you're paying attention. Make sure to like, to subscribe, to comment, share, ring the bell, and tell someone you love them. Because nothing spreads faster than an AI-generated pathogen, except word of mouth about this show. Stay alert, stay skeptical, and I will see you, hopefully, I will see you in the next episode.
No turning